Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be playing Puzzle Monkey Escape. So let's get right into it. We're going to be trying to beat World 1. And then on to World 2. Guys, I have been training and I just did it, so let's hope we can do it again. Probably won't be talking too much, guys. So yeah, guys. No! I'm so sorry, guys. Did I just... Huh? Okay, sorry guys, but we just gotta do this. We must beat the game. No! How did I clutch that, guys? It's crazy, bro. Shit. So yeah, guys, today we're gonna be proving. No! Oh! Ow! 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 Yo, sorry guys. I wonder how I do it sometimes, guys. How? I really wonder how I do it sometimes, guys. I don't think I'm really gonna rebirth, guys, but let me just okay, guys, rebirth thing. Okay guys, we're gonna do a little bit of grinding. How? Hold up. Wait a minute. No, I don't know how I do it, guys. Blah, 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 blah. I'm good enough for the last stage, guys. So why do I feel so slow? Yo. How do I do it? Guys, let me just make sure that extra because they can be in random spots if I'm correct. You guys gotta tell me if I'm correct. I'm doing this kind of stuff. Yo guys, I'm still here. I just like to be quiet. Oh yeah guys, by the way, during the school year, I will not post as often because I'll be busy with homework. Alright guys, alright. Yeah, guys, you know it. I already got my speed back. Damn it, though. You guys know it. You love him. You know him. You love him. Yo, thank you guys for 3 subs. Yo, if we can make it 5, it'll be crazy. Why did I just say geez? I'm so sorry guys for the cringe. For the amount of cringe you guys have to go through by watching my videos. I'm cringing so hard. Yo, stop. I'm in the middle of a race. Stop. I'm telling Mom. Bro, I'm gonna tell Mom. I'm in the middle of a video game and I'm recording a video. Yes, I guess. Shush. Version of me. Are you? Because I ain't had a hair like that in years. Yeah, guys, you better see. Very fast. Be here probably 4 minutes. Here's good. Actually, let's get higher. So I could probably get to like level 170. You guys, hopefully one day I can get to level 200, which would be level 50 in World 2. You guys are the only ones that know what's up. You guys, during the school year, you got me to 50 subscribers. I'll stream on Saturdays, boys. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Guys, oh, just stop when I get to 1 billion speed.